Welcome guys, so today I am with the Xiaomi POCO M5s and I'm gonna show you how you can apply the tempered glass on display and the smartphone. Okay, so first of all, I can recommend you to put on this silicone case to do not scratch your back or camera lenses. Okay, right now we can smoothly put it on the flat surface. Close the screen, and we have to get the good lighting condition to see all of the mess that we have on our display. As you can see in my case, there's a lot of fingerprints and other greasy marks. When you take a look closely, you can find that in this phone you can find already installed protection. It's very thin foil. You can leave this foil on the screen and apply on it the tempered glass, or you can just remove it. It's your choice. In my case, I'm gonna leave it and apply on it the tempered glass to improve protection on my display. So first of all, we have to open the box with the glass and remove everything that we have inside. So there's two wipes, there's the wet and the dry. So for sure we have to start from the wet. So let's open it. And right now just start cleaning this display. As you can see right now, we easily get rid of all of this mess from our display, maybe right here in the left bottom corner. Okay, next just open the dry one. Right now we have to remove all of marks after the wet cleaning. Okay, and right now just be sure that everything is fine with the display. There's no fingerprints, there's no dust on the screen. And if so, you can move for the tempered glass. We have to first remove this yellow sticker, this orange sticker, I guess. We have to make it gently, so grab it with your two fingers and try to remove it. Next, hold the glass like that and start applying from the upper section of the screen. As you can see with the case, it's easier to put it on. And by the way, I just find out that this glass is broken in this place. It's small cut down in the glass, but never mind. So start positioning from the upper section of the screen, keep holding the bottom part. When you put it correctly, just hold with your middle finger and put the bottom part. Next, all you have to do, just press with your finger to get it stick on the screen. And right now, if you have any glue marks, what you have to do to remove it, take a look. You have to just press on it and it will disappear. And that's what I'm gonna do right now for the whole screen. Okay, and right now we can simply turn on the device. As you can see, it looks like everything is fine. No problem with the touch interaction on the phone, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.